Hi.
Hi.
Say we're making pancakes.
Okay.
Right here. Pancakes? How many are you gonna eat?
Okay.
Yeah, how many pancakes are you gonna eat? Okay, here. Pour it in. Okay, I'll get you the water. Those are full ones, you gotta use two hands. Oh, yeah. Alright. There you go. Use two hands. Woo! Like a pro. Good job. Okay. Now we gotta crack this egg. We spilled a lot of it. Wanna open that drawer and get a spoon? Wanna open that drawer and get a spoon? This is what we're making. Woo! Pancakes?
Okay.
Okay, now get a spoon. Find a spoon? No, that's a fork. Get that one over there. The black one. Get the black one. Okay, this is a good one. Okay, put those back. You gonna help with that one? Okay. They actually said wire whisk. Give me a fork, Aiden. Uh-oh. Were you calling me?
No.
Nope, don't eat it. We're making a breakfast video. We're cooking pancakes in here.
Cool. Hey, boo.
For our viewers out there.
I got bread. We got bread, Bubby. Bread. Yeah, you want to see? Hi, everyone.
Oh, hang on, because we made a mess of it. Careful. Remember we spilled a little bit?
Be careful. We're going to put this away. We'll have bread later, okay?
Want to help me clean up?
Okay.
Here. Clean this. Good job. We need more. Want to stir? You're stirring. You say stirring? Okay, now get it.
Do you have my phone by you?
I do not. Must be on the table. Say, I'm hungry.
Honey.
Where's your pancakes? You gotta cook them, huh?
I told Jackie we were making pancakes.
What'd she say?
She said, something, just got out of the shower, can I come down? So she has to be over.
Yeah, I think so. Honey, I don't know if this is good or not. think this is good.
Probably is.
All right. Say bye.
Bye.
And deuces?
No.
No, you almost did.